Yes.
How did you end?
We've made our submissions. We are waiting the ruling of the court. Will come on next Wednesday.
Next Wednesday?
Yes, next Wednesday. It was an interesting exchange of legal arguments. So we are expecting the ruling to come next Wednesday. So we are fine.
Thank you.
So what else do you want to do? You need anything more? Yes, this is not one of the criminal trials. This is purely a civil matter. Don't get us wrong. It is not about Wontumi. This we have sued EOCO for breaches, and we are handling it in the court. This is not one of the criminal charges.
Counsel, please, for how long has the account been freezed?
The account has been frozen since we got to know of the freeze, and this is from October 1st up to now. We haven't had access to the account. That is why we are in court, for the court to defreeze the account so that, and there are various arguments that support the claim. So we are fine. We'll come back for the ruling. I'll meet you on Wednesday.
Okay, so Council, please, has the issue been resolved, or they are yet to resolve the issue?
Oh no, when you file an application like that, you have to argue with the respondent. Indeed, the EOCO filed an application to dismiss our suit based on jurisdiction. So it is the jurisdiction argument that occurred today. So the court will rule and either assume jurisdiction or decline. Then the subsequent application will be dealt with. The subsequent application is for the court to defreeze the account. So when we pass over the jurisdiction matter, we will deal with the other one of the application for the court to dismiss the freezing order. So 2 steps, we will get there.
Okay, so please, when are you guys coming back to?
We are coming back on Wednesday.
Okay.
For the ruling.
Okay.
We have finished with the legal arguments for today.
Okay.
So we are coming back for the ruling on Wednesday.
Okay. Thank you. Chairman, kissing. Chairman, kissing. You, but may come back.
So, Chief, please, what is your name and what brought you to the Accra High Court today?
Yeah, my name is Carlos Anoche. I'm the NASPA Central Regional President and 2025 National President hopeful of the association. Today we came to court for one thing. We held our National Congress elections over the last 3 weeks in Kumasi. But some group of people illegally declared the results, which legally it is unconstitutional per our constitution we have in our NASPA association. So I needed to, take the legal part. So if you see me here today, I'm in court to challenge the illegality that went on during our National Congress.
Okay, so if you say illegal process, what do you mean by that? What happened?
Yeah, per our constitution, it is clear in our constitution that NEC, National Executive Council, together with the coordinating secretary, and then together with the Electoral Commission, they conduct NASPA national elections. But during the process, chaos happened and then they all fled. So we all scattered because we wanted to save our lives. And out of the blue moon, we heard that they have illegally declared the elections, which I deem it is unconstitutional per our constitution.
So now you are in court today. What are you seeking the court to do for you?
Yes, I'm here to inform the court to place an injunction on the supposed executives elect to suppose, and then more so to freeze the account of our association, because being the president, you have a lot of obligations to do at the NSC head office. So I want the court to take this by imposing an injunction on the supposed elected officers, together with the Ashanti Regional NSA Director, who has no business with NASPA Association.
Before the elections, has there been any rift between, the leadership, even before the elections?
There's no rift in the leadership at all. There's no rift in leadership at all. In every organization, when there's an elections, the one or two things will come out. But legally, there was no rift at all. In fact, it got to a situation whereby some people, crowd of people, were openly campaigning against me. I hold my breath. I didn't say anything. So I was waiting for the right people who had to conduct the elections to do so. But very unfortunate, that thing couldn't happen.
Now, after the elections, there has been misunderstanding. That is why you are in court. As leadership, have you tried to consult your other opponents to come to a round table and then find a solution to it, or you just deem it fit to approach the court and then solve it legally?
Yes, as you rightly say, we are all humans. We are all living under this democracy. So I wanted to choose the legal way to go by to make sure my issues will be addressed. Well, nobody has called me yet. And being a citizen, and I believe in our democracy, that is why I chose to come to court, so that my issues will be addressed. That is a court. We work under the Constitution. That is why I've chosen here to come. Yanko Ponado.
All right. Another day, you say money. I'm be paying court. I say, a damn pa any other country. I'm be paying court.
Yeah, I mean, I was a kind of faculty based on a church here for. Them the one know. National service. You want association there. You have to use NASPA. NASPA. Na afibiara no. You henin painful. You started from the district level to the regional level, now you national level. And currently in Pempe I am Central Regional NASPA President. Now we are National Regional President. Who work when the Wontumi contest or any regional executive who work when the Wontumi contest national elections. And then Akunya by no Muslim kofa former mepedan kameba national president. And very unfortunate. I'm going to EOCO Kumasi when I called in Congress 3 weeks ago. basabaya bi esie medwumezi na ye hye ase fefa na yedum pempenso a owo de ye kɔ hɛn elections no enwe pɛyɛ and into no sense so nti na me baba dan court
my mbisa e ba ze plan na osi wo hɔ a oma dam election won to mama
yeah me na oze kan no dem le wafa akana no ye ne dwumezi no was in 3 days Friday na arrival Saturday na main congress no ebesido and Saturday no ye shall see there will be a lot of speeches ɛhɔ no so na as association no or the highest decision body yetum ye take ye fa ne saying decision the yan constitution no yan sesa yan fa bi hyem na ade no ni yan ye decide adwumezi no ɛwɔ Saturday ye wia na yakɔ the main elections no so and Sunday will be the departure and it no Saturday no dem remesi afuna kan hyehyɛ a ɔte dem no ɛhyɛ ase fefefe ɛwɔ Kumase adwumezi no ase okodum pempenso a ɛwɔ da ye kɔn elections no na besebese bi ɛbaye and yan party sorry yan oku no hyehyɛ ni mu no or the national executive or national president, national coordinating secretary, the PRO, the organizing secretary, the WOCOM, one of form the national executive committee no what form the national executive committee no and one in consultation with the coordinating secretary and then the electoral commission when the mandatory body over there yan elections so when me no wɔhwɛ ho na wozi na owie pay ozema hen no sa ankrofo we besabase osi ni ntino the electoral commission, the national executive committee and then the CS no when they fleet omo to save their life out of the blue moon your home around 11 something the Kumase NSA director who has no business doing with NASPA our association gathered some enkrofo which I can call them because
they are not part of you.
They are not part of we the personers and what the best say but around 11 something also they want to conduct the elections and I chose the peace side over violence because I knew that okuna ya no onye okuba keke okuwa embrada ho constitution eda ho and then you know if Ashanti regional NSA director who has no business doing with NASPA that's all the minimum by elections then I told my people not to engage in any violence and I used the court to seek redress because Ghana had no said bibi wana won tiasia courts kunum na wo ba na wo de won san wo babadan no as what really transpired in our constitution onye verbally okay. We are being guided by our constitution
okay. So say now what about court no na o go akrom say
yeah ba court na wo dey you file a injunction interlocutory injunction but very unfortunate we have not been able to serve them all so in the wisdom of the court different data all what I want the court to do are two things or there are many but the major ones is to make sure that the supposed elected officers will not hold themselves again as elected officers so the main substantive issues will be ruled out and that is why today we have my court so that our main issues will be justifiable.
Okay, we thank you for